Sige, day number 1. Night number 1 nga si Zed mag ABCD. Okay? You must listen. No. Listen ni Mami. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, go. A, this is A. B, C, D. Wait, D, O, daraw. D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, watch, Ari. No, na yan na nag-cry. R, S, T, U, V, W, unsa ni nak, unsa ni? W, X, Y, and Z. Good job. Ikaw. A, pointing to the A. 1, 2, 3, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K. Aw, dili ka. Unsa na mo Where is the monkey, anak? Where is the monkey? This is the monkey. This is the monkey. Where is the ice cream? This is the ice cream. No. And this. Okay. Dirita sa fruits. This is the apple, anak. This is the pearl. This is the orange. This is the lemon. The peach. This is the strawberry. Nak, this is the kiwi, nak. This is the kiwi. This is the pomegranate. This is the mango. Banana. Where's the banana? Where's the banana? Where is the banana? Pointing to the banana. Banana. And this is the grapes. This is the mangosteen. This is the cherries. Look at mommy, look at. Sos, kamarites na lang manggid sa daddy. Ang naong mo. Naong daddy. Naong daddy. Where's the monkey, be? Point to the monkey. Where's the monkey? Uy. Where's the monkey? Okay. Let's proceed to the shapes. This is the shapes, anak. This is the circle. This is the triangle. This is the square. And this is the rectangle. This is the diamond. This is the oval. This is the semicircle. Unsa ka marites? Wa na minaw sa kuha. Adto siyang daddy nagtanaw. Oh. Ano na? Oh. Sige. Ikaw be. Be. Baby Z be. Sige, si Z be. Sige. Asa da asa. Ikaw, sige. Ikaw. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Diba? Mauni ang bata na mo nga. Grabe kayo kamal dito na so much. Oh, nasuko. Ansa di ay. Bidali. Oh. Ansa di ay ka? Sa day ka? Oh. A, B. Ano? Oh, wala. Sige. Gusto siya mag-apak siya. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Kagaro naman gid. Tanaw siya siyang daddy. May maora to guys sis. Bye-bye. Good night na. Good night. Ikaw pa yung mukupot. Ikaw pa. Naday makita dira sa imo. Imo nagibutas imong agtang.